Okay. Take again that is a 3.2 exercise trigonometric functions introduction part 2 now. Okay. First part ಏನು ಹೇಳಿನಿ, it is a unit circles trigonometric circular functions ಬಗ್ಗೆ explain ಮಾಡಿನಿ. Okay. ಇವಾಗ next one is that is the sign of trigonometric functions in that is a different quadrants now. Okay. We know that this one is what here first quadrant now. Okay, this one is a first quadrant. Okay, next it is the second quadrant. This one is a third quadrant, and that is a fourth quadrant now. Fourth quadrant, these are the what here four quadrants now. Okay, so focus ಮಾಡ್ಕೇ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, important bit ಅದ ಇರೊಳಗ. Okay, these are the what here four quadrants now. We know that what are the angles in the first quadrant now. ಈ quadrants naga angles ಕೂಡ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಬಹುದು, that is a 90 minus theta now. Correct? Okay, that is a 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Here ಈ quadrant ಹೆಂಗದ less than 90. Less than 90 now. Okay. What is the second quadrant here? The second quadrant is more than 90. More than 90 now. That is 90 plus of what here? Theta. 90 plus of what? Theta now. Okay. Next. Innondu option oda. That is the second quadrant is what here? This one is 180 minus theta now. That is 180 minus of theta now. 180 minus theta. The second quadrant is more than 90. So therefore take that is a 90 plus theta. And again the second quadrant is what here? Less than 180. 180 ಗಿಂತ less ಅದದು. So take 180 minus theta. ಎರಡು angles ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ. Okay. Same as it is. Now go for what here? That is the third quadrant now. The third quadrant is greater than 180. So therefore take it is a 180 plus theta now. 180 plus theta, and this one is less than 270. That is 270 minus theta now. 270 minus theta. Right. Next fourth quadrant is greater than 270 now, more than 270. So take it is 270 plus theta and 360 less now. That is 360 minus of what here? Theta here. 360 minus of what? Theta. Okay. Again go for what here? Take one complete revolution now. It becomes 360 degree now. 370 degree ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ. Again it is in which quadrant? First quadrant only now. Correct? Meaning the first quadrant is it is 360 plus of what here? Theta now. 360 plus of what? Theta. Okay. These are the what here? Angles in a quadrants now. Okay. Take here the sign of the trigonometric functions in a different quadrants they are told. Okay. We know that already there are 6 trigonometric functions now. Okay. Remember one sentence that is all okay silver. Okay, all silver, that is a tea. Okay, next this is the cups now. All silver tea cups now. All silver tea cups. Okay, go for what here? That is the first quadrant now. Okay, in a first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are what? Positive. I ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ first quadrant ನಾಗ all the trigonometric functions now all are positive. All are positive. All are positive meaning sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, all are what? Positive here. Okay. What is the second quadrant here? That is the meaning of what here? Silver. Okay. Silver andra ಏನು consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? That is a sin function now. Correct? Now take it is a now take here sin theta. What is the sin theta? Reciprocal cosec theta. Cosec and sin hang baritir 1 by cosec. Take that is a cosec theta now. Here the sin theta and cosec theta are positive. Sin and cosec theta are positive. Remaining 4 trigonometric functions are what? Negative. And ಯಾವ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹೋಗಲಿ? Cos, cot, tan, sec. The remaining 4 are what? Negative in which quadrant? Second quadrant now. Okay. Next take that is third word, that is t now. T is nothing, stands for what? That is a tan theta now. Okay. Now take here the tan theta. What is the tan theta reciprocal? Cot theta. Here the tan and cot are positive. ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ನ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ? tan theta and cot theta positive ಇರ್ತಾವ. Remaining 4 the trigonometric functions are negative here. Right? Now remaining sin, cos, sec, cosec are negative. Okay. Then go for what here? The fourth quadrant, that is a cups now. Cups meaning take here, that is cos theta. Cos theta reciprocal is sec theta now. Here the cos and sec theta are what? Are positive now. Cos and sec are what here? Positive. Okay. This one is what here? The sign of the trigonometric functions in different quadrants now. Okay. ಈ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಈ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 90 ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 360, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 90 ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 180 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 180 ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 270, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 270 ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 360. ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದ್ರ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಯ್ತು. Next one is what? That is the allied angles now. The allied angles under definition in the, that is allied angle is what here? Two angles whose sum or the difference is. ಯಾವ ಎರಡು angles ಅವ ನನಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Now take here the first angle plus of what here? Second angle now. Sum and difference both they are told here. The sum of the two angles or maybe a difference is 0 over r pi by 2 now. 0 over r pi by 2. So then that angles are said to be what here? Allied angles. Right? Simple matter. ಎರಡು angles ಗಳು addition ಅರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರ two angles ಗಳು subtraction ಅರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ 0 ಮತ್ತ 90 ಬಂದು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಅವು ಯಾವ angles ಅದು? Allied angles now. Allied angles now. Right? In a allied angles, we know that that is on x-axis which function is 0? Sin theta is 0. Correct? On x-axis sin theta is always 0. On y-axis cos theta is 0 now. Correct? Cos theta is 0 now. Okay. All silver teacups is meaning this one is a first quadrant, this one is a second quadrant, third quadrant, and this one is a fourth quadrant now. Right? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಕೇಸ್ಗಳು ನೆನಪಿರೋ ಸಲುವಾಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಟೀ ಕಪ್ಸ್ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾವು? First point, on x-axis the sin theta value is 0. On x-axis the sin theta value is 0. Correct? On x-axis sin theta value is 0 meaning what are the angles there? ಇಲ್ಲಿ x-axis naga sin theta 0 ada. Correct? Sin theta is equal to 0. Then what is the theta here? 0, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi and so on now. Correct? Here the theta is what here? That is integral multiple of pi. Theta angadalli 180, 360 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180 continuous ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Then the functions, the trigonometric functions are what here? Transformation occurs now. Okay. Functions ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Functions ಗಳು ಏನಾಗಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ? Changes ಆಗಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. That is a transfer ಆಗಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ತಾವ? That is a easy ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ. Now this one is what here? 180 plus of what theta and 270 minus of what theta now. Okay. Take it is a 270 plus of what theta and 360 minus of what here? Theta now. Theta. Okay. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. See here, when the trigonometric functions are what? Changes now. ಯಾವ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆತವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆತವ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Right? How the trigonometric functions are changes here? The sin theta becomes cos theta and cos theta becomes sin theta. One condition. Second one, the tan theta becomes cot theta. Okay. And cot theta becomes that is a tan theta now. Tan theta. Next, sec theta becomes cosec theta. Cosec theta and the cosec theta becomes sec theta now. These are the what here? The trigonometric transformation of what? Angles, functions now. Okay, sin functions cos ಆಗ್ತದ, cos function sin, tan cot, cot tan, secant cosec, cosec secant. ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆತಾವಂತ ನಾ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆತಾವ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ವೆನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ವೆನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಮು. ಏನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆತಾವ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ನಾವು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ 180 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ and 360 plus or minus theta, then the function is same. x axis naga ನನ್ನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. 180 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ, x axis 360 x axis ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? the angle that is 180 plus or minus theta and 360 plus or minus theta, the functions are what same now. Okay, first cases naga ನೀವು ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು 180 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂಡ್ 180 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೈನ್ ಸೈನ್, ಕಾಸ್ ಕಾಸ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್, ಕಾಡ್ ಕಾಡ್, ಸೆಕ್ ಸೆಕ್, ಕೊಸೆಕ್ ಕೊಸೆಕ್. 360 ಬಂತಂದ್ರು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಂಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಅದ್ರ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ಅವೇ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಕರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂಡ್ 270 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ದೆನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ changes or maybe transformation. Okay, right? 180 and 360 cases naga no change, sin sin, cos cos, tan cos, x away same irtav. But the second condition case is what here, now yavagara 90 plus theta or maybe 90 minus theta or 270 plus theta and 270 minus theta ಅಂತ angles ಗಳು ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರ sin functions ಹೋಗಿ cos ಆಗ್ತದ, cos ಹೋಗಿ sin ಆಗ್ತದ. tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan, sec becomes cosec, cosec becomes sec. Now this one is what about allied angles where the transformation occurs. Now L transformation ಆಗ್ತದ, that is 90 plus or minus theta and 270 plus or minus theta cases, the trigonometric functions are changes. Now remaining two cases the functions are what same. Now okay, ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಅದ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 4 ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್, ಅದು 4 ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಇನ್ ಎ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ ಎ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಮು. 90 ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 90, 360 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಓವರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನದ, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್. ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಎಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಕೊಸೆಕ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೊಸೆಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತಾವ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದ 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, 180 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ರೈಟ್? ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಆಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮುಗಿತು, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಮುಗಿತು. ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟಿ. ನಾವು ಟಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಕಾಟ್. Okay, here the tan and cot are positive, remainings are negative. Remainings are what here? Negative. What are the angles here? More than 180. 180 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. Right? Then go for what? The last quadrant, that is fourth quadrant here. Okay, this one is all word mugitu, silver mugitu, T mugitu. Then go for what? Cups now. C meaning cups, the cups meaning C, the cups stand for edagiರ್ತಲ್ಲಿ cos theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Cos theta. What is the cos theta reciprocal? Secant theta, sec theta. Correct? In a fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive, The remaining trigonometric functions are what? Negative now. Okay. What are the angles here? The fourth quadrant, that is more than 270. Take that is 270 plus theta. Another form na hingu ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, less than 360. So take 360 plus of what? 360 minus of what here? Theta. Take one complete revolution plus of what? Theta. 270 degree ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ? Sorry, 370 degree lies in first quadrant only. Again 360 plus theta goes on what? Which quadrant? First quadrant now. Okay. Next one is ಯಾವಾಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆತವ? ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್, ಕಾಸ್ ಸೈನ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಟ್, ಕಾಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್, ಸೆಕ್ ಕೊಸೆಕ್, ಕೊಸೆಕ್ ಸೆಕ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆತವ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾವು. 180 cases and 360 cases the functions are same. 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. In 4 cases the functions are what? Same. ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆತಾವಲ್ಲಿ, ಬರೀ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆತಾವ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆತಾವ. ಇನ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ when the trigonometric functions are changes, 4 cases ಅವ. 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta. Here the trigonometric functions are what? Changes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ trigonometric functions change ಆತಾವ, sign change ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ. Right? This one is about what? Allied angles now. Okay. Go for what? First point, that is for theta now. Okay. Take the first one is for theta here. For what here? For theta. Which theta? Minus theta. Minus theta. Okay. Plus 10 degree lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. 20 degree, first quadrant. 60 degree, first quadrant. Minus 10 degree, fourth quadrant. Clockwise ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ angles clockwise ಇರ್ತದ. Negative angles clockwise, positive angles anti clockwise. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 60 lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant now. Sixth quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, that is the fourth quadrant now. Fourth quadrant. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, minus 10, minus 20, minus 60, minus 45, all are what lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant now. ಯಾವ angles ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ angles. Right? See now. First one is sine of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta, cot of minus theta, secant of minus theta, and cosec of what here? Minus theta. Now these are the what here? 6 trigonometric functions in negative angles. ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬರ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನನಗ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ? ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ? ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತದ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ವೀಕ್ ಆದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಲೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್? ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ ಕೆಸನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ. In a fourth quadrant, which two functions are positive? Cos and sec are positive. Cos and sec are positive. Remaining are negative. Correct? See now. Take care. Cos and secant are positive. Cos of minus theta plus cos theta plus cos theta. Secant of minus theta plus secant theta. Clear? These two trigonometric functions are what? Positive. Remaining are negative. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta, tan of minus theta minus tan theta, cot of minus theta minus cot theta, secant of minus theta, cosec of minus theta minus cosec theta. This one is a negative angle. Right? Then go for what? Second case now. Second case. Second one is for 90 plus theta case now. Take care. For that is take 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Okay. 90 minus theta now. Now tell me the 90 minus theta lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Here, ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವೆರಡು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. That is the 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. Okay. Next point. In a first quadrant, which two functions are positive? All are positive, not two. ಎರಡಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ನಾಗ ಬರ್ತದ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅವ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆತಾವೇನು 90 ಬಂದಾಗ? ಆತಾವ. When the functions are changes 90 and 270 cases, the functions are what? Changes now. ಏನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ? The 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. All are positive. Functions are changes. ಮೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. First quadrant functions changes, all are positive. Right? Now take here again functions here. Cosec of what? 90 minus theta here. Okay. These are the what here? Again 6 trigonometric functions. That is 90 minus of what? Theta now. 90 minus theta. ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? Lies in the first quadrant. All are positive. Functions are changes. Okay, changes. Functions are what? Changes. Right. Now take care. Sine of 90 minus theta, cos theta. Sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine. Correct? All are positive. ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಯಾವುದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದು ಕುಂದ್ರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು? ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ನಾವು. ರೈಟ್? ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 90 minus theta, cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta, sin theta. Which sin theta? Plus sin theta. Okay. Tan of 90 minus theta plus cot theta. Okay. Cot of 90 plus theta plus tan theta. Plus of what? Tan theta now. Secant of 90 plus theta plus cosec theta now. Plus cosec theta. Cosec of 90 plus theta, that is a plus secant theta now. Plus secant theta. This one is about what here? 90 minus theta now. Okay. Next one go for what? That is 180 plus theta hogamanta. Okay. Write down now. See here. Next the third one is what here? For the theta is what here? The for 90 minus theta is already over. Now go for what here? 90 plus of what? Theta. Okay. Take here the sine of 90 plus theta. Okay. Next cos of 90 plus theta. Next tan of 90 plus theta. Next cot of 90 plus theta. Next secant of 90 plus theta. Next that is cosec of what here? Cosec of 90 plus of what? Theta now. Theta. Right? See here again that is 90 plus theta angle sada. The 90 plus theta lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, one condition clear. In a second quadrant, which two functions are positive? Sine and cosec are positive. Remainings are negative. Okay. Is it the functions is changes there? Function is changes now. Atta clear ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೈನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಸ, ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸೈನ್ ಕೊಸೆಕ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ ನಾ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೊಸೆಕ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೊಸೆಕ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ತಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ. Sine of 90 plus theta, that is cos theta now. Cos theta. Sine cos theta. Okay. Cosec 90 plus theta. Cosec transformation is what? That is sec theta now. Sec theta. Here Okay, these two functions are what? Positive. Remaining 4 are what? Negative now. Go for what? Cos of 90 plus theta sin theta. Yav sin theta? Minus sin theta. Negative avakadu. Tan of 90 plus theta minus cot theta. Negative sin function changes. Cot of 90 plus theta minus tan theta. Minus tan theta now. Secant of 90 plus theta, that is a minus cosec theta now. Minus cosec theta. Right? Now this one about what? 90 plus of what? Theta now. 90 plus of what? Theta. Illod. ಈಗ ಮೊದಲು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಕೈ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಳತ್ತೀನಿ. 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ನಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೊಸೆಕ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ 90 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಎರಡು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 180 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ನಾವು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 180 minus of what? Theta now. 180 minus theta. Okay, that is sine of 180 minus theta. Think ಮಾಡಲಿ ತನ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂದ್ರ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 180 minus theta, cos of 180 minus theta, it is tan of 180 minus theta. Next cot of that is 180 minus theta. Next secant of 180 minus theta. Next that is cosec of 180 minus of what here? Theta now. 180 minus of theta. Okay. This one about what? 180 minus theta. Okay. It is lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Okay. Next one, which two functions are positive? Sine cosec are positive. Sine cosec are positive. Functions are changes are not changes are not changes. That is the same now. Same. Clear? Functions other function away irtava. One condition clear ada. Yav positive irtava? Sin cos. Remaining are what here? Negative. Our functions away irbo change ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಇವಾಗ. Sin of 180 minus theta plus sin theta. Because sin positive here. Okay. Cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos positive ಇರಲ್ಲ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, tan of 180 minus theta minus tan theta. ಓಕೆ, cot of 180 minus theta minus cot theta. Secant of 180 minus theta minus secant theta. Cosec of 180 minus theta plus cosec theta now. Plus cosec theta. See now, sin and cosec are positive. Remaining are what here? Negative. Okay. Next one is go for what? That is 180 plus theta now. Third one is the next one bit is 180 plus of what? Theta now. Take fifth bit for that is 180 plus of what? Theta now. Okay. Take that is silent. Think ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು? Sin of 180 plus theta, then cos of what here? 180 plus of what? Theta. Next tan of 180 plus of what? Theta. Okay, next cot of 180 plus of what? Theta. Next secant of 180 plus of what? Theta. Next one is it is the cosec of 180 plus of what? Theta now. 180 plus of what? Theta now. Okay, 180 plus of theta lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Function changes or not changes? Not changes. Functions are what here? Same. Functions are what? Same now. Okay. Next one function changes ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅದ. ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ? tan cot ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. tan cot ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. sin of 180 plus theta plus okay, that is a minus sin theta. ಯಾಕೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ನಾಗ ಇವೆರಡೇ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ cos of 180 plus theta minus cos theta. Tan of 180 plus theta minus plus tan theta. Plus tan theta now. Okay. Cot of 180 plus theta plus cot theta. Secant of 180 plus theta. Secant negative ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Minus secant theta now. Cosec of 180 plus theta minus cosec theta now. See here. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೇನೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 180 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ angles now. Okay, right on. Take up, that is next one about 270 minus theta now, and the next one again it is 270 plus of what theta now. Okay, 270 minus theta. First write down the what here condition. 270 minus theta lies in which quadrant? The third quadrant. Functions are changes or not changes? Functions are what changes now. Third quadrant functions are changes. ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, tan and cot are positive in a third quadrant. Remaining are what negative. More conditions basically. Third quadrant function changes, tan cot positive. Function changes, tan cot positive. Remaining are what? That is a negative now. Remaining are what? That is a negative. That is a 270 minus a theta case now. Okay. Functions are changes. Hence changes are sin cos, cos sin, tan cot, cot tan, sec cosec, cosec sec. Right. 270 minus theta. The functions are what here? Changes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ. Functions are what? Changes. ಮೊದಲು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಮು, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಮು. Sin becomes cos theta. Cos of 270 minus theta sin theta. Okay. Next that it is a cot theta. ಇದು tan theta. Okay. Next this one is what here? Cosec theta. Cosec theta. Next one, this one is what here? Sec theta. Functions changes ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Sin. Which two functions are positive? Tan and cot are positive. Remaining are what? Negative. Take care. Minus, 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 minus. Understand ಆಯ್ತಾ? That is a tan and cot are positive. Remaining 4 are what? Negative. Remaining 4 are what? That is a negative now. Okay. Then go for what? 270 plus theta now. 270 plus theta ಅಂದಾಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ? 270 plus theta lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant now. Fourth quadrant ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರಿ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ. ನಾಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. 270 plus theta ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆತಾವ? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆತಾವ. ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? cos and sec are positive. Remainings are negative. Remainings are negative. Okay. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೀವಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 270 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಸೈನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅದ. ರೈಟ್? ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 270 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ that is a sin theta. Which sin theta? Plus sin theta. Cos positive ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾ ಈಗ. Tan of 270 plus theta minus cot theta. Function change or negative. Right? Cot of 270 plus theta minus tan theta. Function change or negative. Okay. Secant of 270 plus theta that is plus cosec theta. Functions changes ಮಾಡಬೇಕು but sec positive ಇರ್ತದೆ. That is a sec is what here? Positive now. Sec is a positive. Okay. Next one is a cosec 270 plus theta. That is a minus sec theta. Minus sec theta. ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos positive and secant positive. Functions are what? Changes. Right? Next one take for next case that is 270 plus theta is over. Okay, then go for what? 360 minus theta now. 360 minus that is theta now. Okay, for 360 minus theta now. Okay, that is first one is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 360 minus theta, cos of what here? 360 minus theta. Okay, that is a tan of what here? 360 minus theta. Okay, sin cos tan. That is go for what? Next one is cot of 360 minus theta, secant of 360 minus theta. Next that is a cosec of 360 minus of what here? Theta. Okay, ನೀವೇನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ನಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನೀವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಬರ್ರಿ. Here, first 360 minus theta meaning lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Okay, fourth quadrant now. In a fourth quadrant, which the functions are positive, cos and sec are positive. Functions change ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ functions change ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, cos sec ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರಿ, ಉಳ್ಕಿವೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸಿ ನಾ sin of 360 minus theta minus sin theta, cos of 360 minus theta plus cos theta. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, cos and secant are positive, remaining are negative now. Okay, tan of 360 minus theta minus tan theta negative ಇರುತ್ತದೆ ಈಗ. Next cot of 360 minus theta, that is minus cot theta. Secant of 360 minus theta plus secant theta, plus secant theta. See now, cos and secant positive answers, right? Cosec of 360 minus theta minus cosec theta, minus cosec theta. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದ, ಅವೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅವೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಕಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ದ? ದ 360 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಲೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್? ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. ನಂಗೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ? ಕಾಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ರೈಟಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 360 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 270 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ 360 minus theta. Here 270 plus theta case, this one is a 360 minus theta case. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ cos secant ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಉಳಿಕೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. cos ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ secant ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, cos ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ secant ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ನಾವು ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. Right, next that is last case is a 360 plus theta. Now 360 plus theta lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Functions are changes, not changes, that is the same. Now which two functions are positive? Not two, all are positive here. Clear cut ada. First quadrant all are positive, functions are what? Same, right? The sin of 360 plus theta plus sin theta all are positive. Okay, okay. Cos of 360 plus theta plus cos theta, tan of 360 plus theta tan theta, cot of 360 plus theta cot theta, secant of 360 plus theta, that is secant theta, cosec of 360 plus theta, that is a cosec theta. Now check ಮಾಡು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅದ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೇಮ್ ಯಾವ, ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ here, that is a 360 plus of what? Theta. Now okay, entire up to that is a negative angle 2, that is minus 360 plus or minus theta. Now ಎಲ್ಲ angles ನಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಏನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟದ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಅದು ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ನಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ದ ಗಿವನ್ angle is lies in which quadrant, that is the first condition. The second condition is what? Which functions are positive. Now first second condition we have to check which functions are positive, which functions are positive, ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. Next third one is what? The third one is if the transformation, the trigonometric function changes or not. Now the transformation occurs or not. Now transformation occurs or not. Now ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದು ಮೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ನಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು? 180 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta, the functions are not changes, always fixed. When the functions are transformation takes 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta cases, the functions are what? Changes. Now this one is about allied angles, that is a sign of trigonometric functions in different quadrants. Now okay.